Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin market as usual on Mondays. So on the weekly chart, situation barreling has changed. So you can see we have the same our major ABC pattern with the 33 even target. It probably should be reached soon. Well, it stands very close to previous lows, and it will be interesting how market will behave around these previous lows, whether we'll get some bullish signs, Russian greens or something that sort, although in the background of the virus spreading and the overall panic on the market, well, it's more probable that we will get some breakout. So in general, recent sell-off, guys, we should not treat as something that has relation to the Bitcoin, to the blockchain, or to cryptocurrencies in general. This is, guys, just extracting of the cash. So lots of people just have on the balance invested in the cryptocurrency and holding it. For some, it was just some kind of the experimental investment, some project or something that sort. A lot of investors and some funds even have invested in the cryptocurrencies. And now they just extract their money because you can see that the drop of the Bitcoin was not supported by the change in the hash rate. Hash rate is coming higher, because Bitcoin is coming to the halving, and this collapse has happened not because of the just reducing of the miners' activity as it was here when we have traded in here. This was, as you can see, hash rate is climbing. That is different story, and by this action, it probably we could suggest that it will last for some time more, because the same story you could see on the gold market. The gold market is dropping not because of the dropping on the value, but because investors trying to close the leveraged positions in the markets, avoid the margin calls, and just accumulate cash. That was going on here. The same as the Bitcoin. This is global process, not something that is happening on the just cryptocurrencies. And that's why we suggest that this is not the final point, and we suggest that market will drop. Currently 33. Yes, we will be watching for a bullish action here, but taking into consideration the acceleration that we have here, we would suggest that probably market could drop even more. That's our long-term view on the cryptocurrency on the weekly chart. Currently, market stopped dropping mostly because of the strong oversold level. But as soon as market just avoiding moving out from this condition, it could drop more and more following this level of the oversold, and just will continue to action with this, something of that sort. You can see here in the oversold, minor retracement again with this line. So that's what we have on the longer term chart. It means that currently it's not the good point for taking the investment position in the cryptocurrencies. On the daily chart, guys, we could approximately trying to estimate the levels that market theoretically could reach on the pullback, some retracement. Well, it's really big chances that it already has happened. With this pullbacks approximately the 30% of the drop recently, but well, if it will be a bit deeper retracement, we are watching for a 64 level. First of all, this is previous lows, and currently, guys, here is also confidence resistance, as you can see. This is 30% of the whole downward action here, and 618 of the really big collapse that has happened in the last week. So that creates the confidence resistance around 64.80 approximately. The way how market could reach it, you could see on the 4-hour time frame chart, that could be kind of the Gartley triple to sell, which leads us right to the 64 area. That will be the point where we could consider taking the short position. For the scalp traders, of course, you could try to trade it to the upside, but I think that it would be better to stay aside from any bullish trades by far. Currently, it's better to not run against not to go against a running train, and it would be better to join the strong momentum that we have in the market. From that standpoint, it's better to ignore any bullish setups that could be formed at least on the intraday charts, wait for clearer strong resistance levels where it would be better to consider taking the position in a continuation in the downward action. So that's our view on Bitcoin market currently.